Jai Gurudev. Knowledge sheet number 201, The Noise of Non-Violence. Often violence comes with noise. Non-violence happens in silence. People who are violent make a lot of noise. They make it known. People who are non-violent are quiet. But the time has come for people who are non-violent to make noise so that violence will quieten down. The message of non-violence has to come loud and clear so that it can be heard from your young age. A sense of shame has to be connected with anger and violence. The reason for violence in young age is associating a sense of pride and not shame with anger and violence. They think it is prestigious or a status symbol to be aggressive. These days, aggression is not considered a quality to be ashamed of. This promotes aggression and violence, and as a result, human values are diminishing in society. Some movies and modern music glorify frustration, anger, and revenge and become a role model for children. We need to promote human values loud and clear. Don't be shy or apologetic to talk about spiritual knowledge and practices, as only spirituality can nurture human values. David asks, if people are ashamed to be angry, won't that make them unnatural and bring a resistance that will persist? Gurudev says, if they are not ashamed, they will feel they have a license to get angry and violent. Sometimes resistance is good, like resistance to disease or resistance to bad habits. Jai Gurudev.